These are the top 3 reasons to become a plumber. Number 1, money. As a licensed plumber, you can make well over $100,000 per year. Number 2, your value. There are less than 500,000 plumbers in the entire country. That's less than 1% of the population, which means you will be valued as an employee. Number 3, fulfillment. Being able to solve issues and adding value into society is a feeling unlike anything else. Plumbers protect the health of the nation.